Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about the Dare Rose 4-pack of these faux plants. There are 4 of them, if I can get all of them in my hand to show you. They're really pretty, really cute, and they are a little on the mini side, just so they're not like a huge thing that's gonna take up space. They're more just a little accent kind of piece. I love that they come in a 4-pack because you can either scatter them around or you can have them all together. I think that they look super cute like on a windowsill or in a bathroom, in an office. If you just want to decorate your desk, maybe make it cute and make it a little more bright and lively. All of the plants are different, so they're not the same all. They all have a different look, which I love, so you can mix it up. They're not really uniform. You have a different look that you kind of want to achieve. So these are plastic and really easy to clean. The pots are also plastic, but they look ceramic. They look super nice, but they're really lightweight, really easy to just kind of spruce something up. The plants themselves are really easy to adjust, so if you want more fullness to them. They are about 7 inches tall, and then this is about 2.5 inches. So super small, like I said, but still looks super great wherever you want to put them. I've had these for a few months now. They hold up really great. They're really easy to just rinse off if they get dusty, but they have stayed really nice. My kids have messed with them and they haven't come apart. I just think they're perfect and so cute for little spaces that you want to decorate and make look nice. So if you're looking for something like this, maybe you just want small little decor for one small area of your home or your office, I think these would be absolutely perfect. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.